Accident Assist is our hassle-free accident claim service available to all our members. If you have a car accident, simply contact us first before your insurer. You can call, tap the app, or go online. We'll take care of everything for you. This includes recovery, repair, a courtesy or hire car until yours is repaired, personal injury support, and talking to insurers on your behalf. There's no hassle or claims forms, and it's all sorted as part of your membership at no additional cost. It doesn't matter whether you're still at the side of the road, or if you've been able to drive home, or which company insures you. We won't charge you an excess if the accident wasn't your fault. Your car will get the highest quality repair at your nearest AA-approved repairer, who uses the latest tech and fits vehicle manufacturer genuine parts. You'll also get total peace of mind with our lifetime repair guarantee. So there we have it. With Accident Assist, we're on your side, acting on your behalf, independently of your insurer. And we'll take care of everything for you when you contact the AA first on 0330 053 0054 or tap the app or go online.